The word again, to indicate repetition of an action or event. Try again, do again, say again. Don't worry, you can try again if you make a mistake. I need to do it again to make sure it's perfect. Could you say it again? I didn't hear you clearly. To indicate something happening another time or occasion. In meet again, see again, come again. I hope we can meet again soon. It was great to see you again after so many years. They will come again next week to finalize the deal, to express a return to a previous state. Start again, begin again, go back again. He had to start again after losing his work. And she decided to begin again in a new city. We need to go back again to check if we missed anything, to indicate an additional time or occurrence. Once again, yet again, over and over again. So once again, they proved their talent in the competition. He tried yet again to solve the puzzle. Tina Child asked over and over again for his favorite toy. To show contrast or an alternative situation, try again, think again, reconsider again. You might want to try again before making a final decision. You should think again if you believe the deal is too good to be true. After hearing the full story, you may need to reconsider again.